Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so very much. Your girl really does appreciate it, and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, the video on today, you already saw the title, and it is my absolute favorite box. For those of you who don't know what I'm talking about, it is the Curlbox, okay? And yes, it's that time. And for those of you who are not familiar with Curlbox, I will leave all the information down below. This is a box that is for hair like ours, okay? Be it curly or straight or kinky or coily. The products that come in this box are designed for us to get the most out of our hair, to do the most, to slay the most, okay? So, this is the August 2021 Curlbox, and let's jump in and see exactly what came in this month. So, when we open it up, the first thing on the top is, gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, and this is our description card for the month, and it says our theme is the switch up. Okay, and on this card it tells us about all of the products that are enclosed in the box and the best way in order to use them to get the most out of them. Then in addition to that, it says, oh, this is special. You choose your sixth product. Nice. It says the sixth product for your August subscription box will come in the form of an email coupon for one free product, up to $10 value and free shipping on orders of $20 or more, valid on orshaircare.com. Okay. And it says terms and conditions will apply. Email containing details and coupon will be sent on August the 22nd. Okay, excited about that. As if the products that are in here are not magnificent enough. Here for it. Yes, I'm ready. Then, oh, this is an even better breakdown. All right, and this is a detailed description of the products, and this one came from ORS itself. Then we also have a Hey Girlfriend card so that you can show off your style. Curlbox says they want to see how you use the products in this month's box. Tag them on Instagram. Okay. That's all the verbal stuff. Now for what you really want to see. So when we open the box, this is what everything looks like on the inside. This is one of the things that I absolutely love. 99% of the time, every single product we get is full size. They may even throw in some samples, but the products that we get are full sized, okay? And for $30 a month, and that includes your shipping, you don't have to fight anybody in the store. You don't have to worry about the super high gas prices. I'm just saying. So let's just start off. I don't know where to start. I'm just going to grab something and we're going to go from there. It says ORS Olive Oil. Do both with Fix-It and Friends. All right, now, the first product that they have listed here is the Olive Oil Fix-It Cream Styler. So, that would be this product right here. It says wigs and weaves. Revitalize your wavy and curly wigs and weaves by applying this Argan Infused styler while wet or dry. If it's curly, finger comb through your natural curls to define your hair with a medium hold. This is a 5 fluid ounce size. It is infused with castor oil for strengthening and moisturization. It's this concentrated formula to revitalize, define, and add luster to wavy and curly wigs, weaves, and natural hairstyles. Nice. Okay, and this is a new look for the product. This is cruelty-free, and it has a 12-month shelf life. This one did come sealed, so we can't open it to see what it smells like. But we want to save it till we're ready to use it anyway, so we can get the full benefit out of it. Then the next product it tells us is the Ultra HD Sleek Smoothing Gel. This is a huge container. Okay, this is what it looks like. All right, and it says wigs and weaves. Okay, this super hold gel perfectly slicks your edges and leave out when wearing headband wigs, half wigs, and ponytail attachments. For curly hair, sans a wig, you can use this gel to create sleek ponytails, updos, and baby hairs. We received this in a 20-ounce jar. Oh my God. Okay, and of course, this one is infused with castor oil as well for strengthening. I am here for this. I mean, if you're gonna get the product, get it. Moisture locking high definition styles for natural and relaxed hair. Ooh. Okay, it's a little strong, but here's what it looks like. And as much gel and slick backs that we do, I think it's time for, well, once the summer is over, then I can go back to doing some stuff with my natural hair. So excited about this. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Then the next item we have is the Fix-It Liquid Fix Spritz Gel. And that's this one right here. Look at that unique top on it, okay? And it says wigs and weaves. This sweat and heat resistant spritzing gel helps secure lace front wigs and wig caps with no residue. Oh, I am here for this. With no residue, I'm sorry. And then it says for your curly hair, this spritz doubles as a styler for freeze ponytails, weaves, and adding definition to TWA. Okay. Wow. All right, and it's infused with castor oil as well. Aids in resetting or repositioning lace fronts, wigs, and weaves. This is a 6.8 fluid ounce size. All right, this one also has a 12-month shelf life. Strong hold edge protection, dries clear, no residue, and humidity resistant. Okay, nice. All right, then let's move to the next product. It is Edge Control Hair Gel. This one right here. And it says, looking to slick edges on curly styles, wigs, and weaves? This gel delivers extra hold for all textures while protecting your hairline and strengthening edges with olive oil and sweet almond oil. This one is a 4-ounce size. Okay, and look at that. It comes with the seal on it. All right, and it says sealed for freshness. Okay, then the last item that we have is the Olive Oil Fix-It Super Hold Spray. All right, and this one says enriched with castor oil. This spray delivers super hold when applying non-adhesive wigs around your hairline. Curly hair. This all-purpose holding spray works for afros, heat-styled updos, taming braids, frizz, and adding hold to finger styles. This one is a 6.2 fluid ounce size, and this one has, okay, I seem to notice that whenever it is a hairspray, there are no expiration dates on it, okay? It says Ultra Hold Edge Protection, dries clear, no residue, sweat, and humidity resistance. Olive Oil Fix-It Spray. Okay, I'm liking this. See, I love it. I told y'all, full size all the time. Just what we need. Look, this is perfect for the summertime. It looks like I might need some right now. Make sure that these braids stay locked in together. Okay, so I'm actually loving this. Full sizes on everything. Look, I'm telling you, just when you think you have the perfect product, because last month's product I thought was perfect. You know how our households were? Every 90% of the households had Luster's Pink in it. Okay, I'm just saying. But we also had the, it wasn't called ORS then. It was not called that then. But we had the olive oil line as well. So, how about that? But this one is not just designed for our natural hair, but also for our weaves and wigs as well. Y'all know. Okay, so these are the items that were included in this month's Curlbox. Down below, you'll find the manufacturer's suggested retail price for everything that was included in this month's box. Okay, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend a moment with me of your time on today as we talked about my favorite box. Y'all know, you know, and if you didn't, now you do. And hopefully this will become your favorite box as well. Now, just remember, there is a waiting list, and pay attention to Curlbox social media. They will let you know when there are openings so that you can get on the wait list and be the recipient of a Curlbox of your own. Remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.